everyone, welcome back to our channel. Mid-Autumn Festival is coming soon. That's why Mom decided to make salted eggs. Salted eggs are preserved eggs soaked in brine salted water. The egg white has a sharp, salty taste and the yolk is rich and fatty. They're often boiled and eaten with congee or used as a flavoring to other foods. The yolks are usually used in glutinous rice dumplings and mooncakes to symbolize the moon in Mid-Autumn Festival. First, we need 18 to 20 eggs. Wash eggs through tap water and dry them well with paper towel. Let them sit under the sun for 1 hour to dry them completely. Now we need 40 grams star anise, 40 grams cinnamon sticks, 40 grams sugar, 500 grams salt, and 2 liters of water. Spices are optional. You could omit one or all of them. During the curing process, the aroma of spices may be a little bit too overpowering, but when you try the eggs, it will only give out a very mild flavor. In a medium pot, add water and stir in salt and sugar. Add all the spices. Now bring water to boil. Extra spices such as cinnamon, star anise will help speed up the curing process. According to traditional medicine popular in Asia, these spices are in hot category and can help speed up curing time. And also add an extra flavor and aroma, which definitely a bonus. For the bright orange color of the yolks, we need 2 cups of cooking wine after boiled the water. Stir it well. Now let it cool completely around 3 hours. 3 hours waiting, that's enough for us to enjoy our lunch, right? Yum. Check each egg to make sure there are no cracks, because cracked ones will get rotten inside the brine. Very gingerly place each egg in the glass jar big enough to harbor 18 eggs. Mom used the BBQ sticks to keep eggs not floating after poured the brine water. But you could use anything that's heavy enough to keep the eggs in place, like a plate or a bowl. Pour solution into jar. All eggs should be submerged into the brine water. Tightly cover the jar. Normal curing process will take 20 to 25 days, so label the start and finish dates on the jar to remind yourself. 20 days later. I can't wait to see what the eggs look like. After 20 days testing time, crack an egg into a bowl and check its yolk. Yolk could be bright yellow-orange color, quite firm. The white should be a little cloudy but still runny. To keep the salted eggs, take all eggs out of the brine water. Tap them dry with a paper towel. You could store salted eggs in the fridge up to 3 weeks. I know, right? That's so long. After a long time waiting, now we have our homemade salted eggs ready in the fridge for us to use anytime. For those of you who never had a salted egg, the egg yolk, which tastes like a soft, mashed roasted chestnut, with a salty and rich umami flavor. Nowadays, to add extra richness, saltiness, and decadence, chefs have started integrating salted egg yolks as coating for French fries, shrimp, and crab. And Mom used it in fried rice. Clever, Mom. Ha 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 ha. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our video. See you next time. Bye.